On a rainy DC day, the Supreme Court handed down its most significant decision of recent times. The case was brought by a children's toy company, Learning Resources, which argued that the president had usurped the power of Congress by unilaterally imposing the tariffs against numerous countries. The opinion was written by Chief Justice John Roberts, who agreed that the president does not have the power to impose what are essentially taxes. And in a searing concurring judgment, Justice Neil Gorsuch wrote, "Americans fought the revolution in no small part because they believed that only their elected representatives, not the king, not even Parliament, possessed authority to tax them," adding, "The framers gave Congress alone access to the pockets of the people." More than 1,000 major companies are now following through on legal moves to reclaim some of the more than $200 billion in tariffs that have already been collected by U.S. Customs and Border Protection. The Supreme Court did not address the issue of reimbursement, which is likely to be played out in lower courts. Its ruling applies to the tariffs the president imposed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act of 1977. Several other types of import taxes, including those on steel and automobiles, remain untouched. It's impossible to overstate the importance of this decision. The Supreme Court has re-established the concept of a balance of power between the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary, in terms of which no one body has full power over the other. It's a very bedrock of this country's constitution. Mike Hanna, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Don't miss out, get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.